What information do I need to include in my Find an Advisor profile page? What you need to know first is there are two different profile views, the snapshot and the full bio. The snapshot is the one that you see first. It's a short glimpse that grabs the client's attention. The full bio gives the client more information. Here's what you need to know about the snapshot view. It's the first thing a client sees. It's going to be a 50 to 100 word quick bio. Get the client's attention. What makes you special out of the nearly 650 members? You're going to list your client's specialties. For example, you may specialize in the entertainment business or with student loan debt. You, of course, give your name, your certifications, your business name, and also your location. Once the client clicks on your name, they reach your full bio. This is more extensive. You will again include your name, certification, business name, and location. You'll also include your email, phone number, and website, as well as a 200 to 300 word bio that dives a little bit deeper, who your ideal clients are, the ways you charge, and your fee options. This allows the client to make a more informed decision when searching for their perfect advisor. If you have more questions about this, please visit www.xyplanningnetwork.com. You'll click on the top middle button that says Find an Advisor. You'll see examples as well as full profiles of our advisors.